Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started out watching Marie Louise art, an amazing artist, super sweet lady. I just love her to pieces. So if you haven't subscribed to her channel, please go and subscribe and hit that notification bell. She does these amazing planets with spray paint and just so much else. So you won't be disappointed. After her, we have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. Alright, so today I am going to do a bloom on this. I've got a floaty pillow. I already did a swipe. I didn't like it, so we're going to try to rock a bloom. So, let's go. Let's do this. Alright, I'm going to just play some music and let you guys watch.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la. Singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. I don't know how or how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down. I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Take every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again.
Alright, I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is, but on my other phone with my light on. I think it turned out really pretty. You can see all the shimmer and stuff in it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you who have done that already. Up next, we have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. Then we have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And then we have the Hippy Dippy Painterman. So if you missed anyone before me, we had our special guest Marie Louise Art and Sweet Wombat. Go back and watch, please. They're so amazing. All right, guys. Love you. Have a great day or great night. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.